Hey guys, Greg here, Underground Graphics. Today we've got a new small feature for you. We've got some people that have been asking about the Bronco hash marks. Apparently that was something that we left out of our catalog, and it's been on our list. We just never got that done, and finally we decided, you know what, it shouldn't take too long. Let's go ahead and knock this out. So we did. This is going to be that hash mark. We've got a handful of options for you. A single color, or a two color with pinstripe, without pinstripe, or a single pin or a dual pin. This is going to be that, and you can go either way. You can, again, you can go have that pinstripe at the front or at the rear. There's that double, there's that solid, single pin, and a double pin. These would be the standard options. Obviously that orange can be any color you want. We're going to do this on our shot Bronco. So that orange pinstripe is going to match what we have on there now. You'll see how quick we can get off this front stripe for that demo, and then once we get that on there, we'll get some pictures and get that back off, and I'm going to put a stripe right back on there. But anyway, this is something, you know, again, a really nice subtle accent that I think is going to look great, especially if you want to do a little accent color on that with that second color pinstripe. As with all of our films, we are going to do this in a 3M wrap film. I know that matte black, if you're choosing that deep matte black, which I think is going to be the standard on that, it'll be 3M, and then that secondary color, believe that's a 3M as well. But again, Avery, Arlon, Oracal, always going to be a wrap film. This would be a dry install, so no need for water. All we got to do is make sure we get that in the right place, clean it, tack it, and apply it, and we're good to go. So real quick, we're going to jump right into this. Let's go ahead and do just that standard black on there for now. We're going to use that 10% alcohol water mix. I'm not sure this is a 16-ounce bottle, but we do recommend that solution to be put together in a 16-ounce bottle. That's your standard size. This has been on here for, I think, 3 or 4 months. And again, this has been in our garage for a couple of hours. And again, this is that 3M wrap film. And you just got to get that edge started, and with this, I'm going to kind of pull the same way as if we were to pull off a liner. I don't want to pull straight up, but just kind of pull away from that. It'll break that adhesive, and there is no residue on this. And again, this vehicle sits outside every day. This is a great demonstration of that wrap film. There is no residue on that. Now I am pulling out as I'm pulling that, as that's going to break that adhesive. And this has been my go-to for what I like on this Bronco. So like I said, after this demo is done, we'll go back and slap this back on there. Parts of the business, right? And just a quick wipe down on that. Again, this is that alcohol mix. Just want to make sure there's no contaminants on there. If you're ceramic coated, we do recommend test it first, but typically these do not work well with coatings already on the vehicle. We recommend coating after that. But again, something like this, just this accent stripe should probably be all right. There's scissors, a stripe. You're going to get one of these squeegees with that kit. I'm going to do that with you. Typically, I like to have a little soft edge of that, and now we do have we'll have that on the site. I believe that's up there now. A blue felt edge, and of course we have more durable squeegees. This is really just a short-term, temporary use squeegee. And as far as where this goes, it is completely up to you. We have this designed to kind of fit back here, less towards the front. I think that's 5 inches is what we had that at. And again, just make sure what you do on one side you do to the other. But typically this is going to go right up to that seam. But you see that is a completely even piece. So again, you can bring that back. You can bring this forward. It's wherever you want to do it. Just make sure you measure and you get the same on both sides. So let's say, oh, I like it right there. Let's go with that 4. So I'm going to mark that 4. Actually, now I know it's 4. And again, that way you'll know where to mark that for the other side. And that graphic is going to sit right on the top of this crease right here, and that should finish up same spot on this top side. Now we got that marked. I'm going to tape there. I'm going to tape there. Now this film we're using for the demo, it is still air release, but it is not the 3M. I'm not going to burn through that for the demo, but again, I assure you that 3M will be easier than this will be to put on. This is our 3M control tag, so it's just a calendar version of that matte black. And this is just a hinge method. And again, we've already got that tape, so we know that's not going to shift. And as easy as that. You don't have to have that felt on here, as long as you're on that transfer paper, so you're not scratching the paint. Make sure that surface is clean. When I cut that paper, I left a little bit of paper residue on there. That is it. We did round these edges just a little bit, so they shouldn't peel like that, but I just need that tacked. And there's your solid black. But I want to show that how easy that is to do. The dual color, again, if you choose 2 color, it'll already be pre-laid, so all you got to do is do that one time. Very simple install, a lot of accent, pretty cool. I like that. If you have any questions, give us a call, give us an email. I believe these are going to be $45 for the single color for the pair and $75 for the 2 color for the pair. These will come with that IPC, so if you do make a mistake, take a picture, send it to us. There's a little bit of forms to fill out, but we'll send you out another piece to that if you do make that mistake. Not sure on the shipping on that. I think it's free shipping over $75. I'll have to go back and check on that. But like I said, just give us a call. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.